Alright, well this review is for one of the very best things I've ever have bought for the kitchen, and certainly one of the two best things I bought for the kitchen in the last year. And this is the Power Smokeless Grill. You probably have seen it advertised on YouTube and places. I'll just quickly go over that. I mostly want to talk about what I do with it, how I use it, how often I use it now in the kitchen, rather than my saute pans and other cooking equipment. This is what I use most often. So we have the glass lid, of course, and we have the unit for grilling, which gives a nice char grill, just like if you're using a charcoal grill outside. And also there's a griddle that goes to it too, and that's what we're going to be using in just a few minutes tonight to cook our giant oriental food. Alright, and so one of the great features is the cord comes in and out, so it makes for easier storage. And then there's the heating unit, and this is kind of like the drip tray, and it directs everything down and goes to a grease trap that is also can be used to put water in and different herbs and stuff to give flavoring and give almost a little bit of a steaming effect. And so that goes back together. Plug that puppy in. Boom. And that's what we're going to use tonight. Alright, well here's what we're going to be cooking tonight. Some onion pie, oriental style onion pie, and a turnip cake, Asian style, actually Chinese. I'll be adding some cilantro, garlic, ginger, and what I have left over from green onions that are starting to go bad. And I will be making a sauce with hoisin sauce, oriental Worcestershire sauce, and a special smoked Vietnamese hot chili sauce. The hot chili sauce is only available here in Denver right now at a local banh mi Vietnamese sandwich shop that eventually we'll take a visit to. Alright, we have the cilantro, garlic, ginger, and scallions all chopped up, and we're ready to go to the next step. Let's plug in the Power Smokeless Grill. Once it's plugged in, push it once, and then hit the side, get it up to temperature. We're going to bring it up to 390 degrees, and we're going to turn on the fan. Here's the frozen crispy pie. Show you what it looks like. Each one's individually wrapped. And that's nice, double paper. Alright, so we have that. And make sure that you cut the end off of the package of the turnip cake or taro cake, or there's several different versions. This is the taro. And then you can slide it on out for easy cutting. You take the rest of these and put them over to the side. Cut these guys at about quarter inch or so. And I think that's going to be enough for this evening. We're just going to have these guys along with the pancake, and we'll make a sauce. This stuff right here is just amazing. It's like a Chipotle version of a Vietnamese style hot sauce, chili sauce. has a really unique smoky flavor. And it's hot, but not extremely hot. And then we have hoisin sauce, and that is a sweet potato based sauce used a lot in Vietnam and also places in China. And some Oriental Worcestershire sauce. And I actually want it a little bit thicker than that. A little bit more hoisin. And then we're going to add some of each of these chopped up guys. Lots of ginger. And normally I would have fresh basil too, but I just don't have it here at the house today. Stir that in. I'm going to use a little bit of the leftover Szechuan red peppercorns mixed with a little bit of black peppercorn. And a little bit more black peppercorn. Fresh ground. And there we have the cooking sauce. Alright, now I got the rest of those pancakes back in the freezer bag, and turnip cake wrapped up in a container too. So what I'm going to do now is start cooking. What I'm going to do is first just don't think we'll need really any oil or anything. Hear that sizzle? There, left enough room for pancake. I'm going to cover these with the sauce that I made. And here's that groovy pancake. And I'm going to coat it too. And then I'm going to put the lid back on and let it cook for a little bit. Putting a lid on, having a lid with one of these things is really essential. It really keeps in the heat, gets the top area cooking. Even creates a little steam action sometimes. Definitely makes like a convection process going on. So we're going to give that a couple minutes and then we'll come back. Alright, this is the first time I've been to cook these pancakes, and you can notice maybe that it's starting to puff up on the edges. So that's kind of telling me that it probably needs to be turned over. Try to look at the bottom of it. Yep, it's ready. So we're going to flip it. Doesn't that look yummy? Put a little bit more of our sauce on it. And let's see how these guys are doing. Yeah, come on. I actually like them a little bit more cooked. So the next time I will do the pancakes a couple minutes later. See how we got a little bit of nice little char on that? Really like the char. And there you have it. I would say that first side was around 6 minutes. So probably give it about the same, maybe just a little bit less for the pancake. See you then. I would say it's about 4 minutes right now, and I think the pancake is done. Yep. So we put that there. Give this puppy a few more minutes. And whenever I have leftover goodies like chopped up garlic, cilantro, green onion, ginger, I will just take it and put it in a glass jar with a tight lid. And most likely use it for whatever I cook next. It may be part of the base of the rub that I'll be doing for the ribs. Cooking ribs tomorrow in this guy. Alright, it's been another 2 or 3 minutes. Probably more like 3 minutes or so. And we have some freshly made jasmine rice, my favorite brand, Three Ladies. They say it's from Thailand, but actually it's from Vietnam. So we'll have that. Now let's get these guys. Oh yeah. Ooh, that looks perfect. And if you like polenta, kind of like cooked like this, then you're definitely going to like this right here. And so, there you have it. I will turn off the heat or the power and leave the fan running for a little bit, and then come back and turn off the fan in a few minutes. So, bon appetit.